Using WhatsApp in laptop along with mobile is really cool. It is easy, flexible and faster to do chatting and sharing files or photos from laptop or desktop. You can use WhatsApp in your computer either directly from your web browser or by downloading it. It requires 3 simple steps: search, scan and get, and use. Let's check the details. In step 1, search WhatsApp on Google and click on WhatsApp web. Step 2, scan the QR code from your WhatsApp. To scan the QR code from your Android phone, tap the 3 dots at the top right corner, select WhatsApp web and scan. That's it. Now you know how to use WhatsApp from your Android phone. For iPhone, you need to simply click on the settings of bottom right corner of your WhatsApp, select WhatsApp web or desktop. Now all you need to do to scan and use it. In the same way, you can download WhatsApp for desktop and use it. To do this, search WhatsApp in Google, select Mac or Windows PC, select download. Just install it on your PC and rest of the process will be as same as previously shown WhatsApp in web. So simple, right? Start using and get the benefit of using WhatsApp in laptop or your desktop.